This is AUTEL EVO II Pro, and today I'll show how you can change the speed mode, or to put it in other words, increase or decrease the maximum flight speed on this drone. At the start, launch the AUTEL Explorer app and enter the camera feed. Now to your top right, enter settings, then go into the flight control category, and here look for the speed mode, which you can switch between Standard and Ludicrous. As you could have guessed, the Ludicrous speed mode is quicker, faster than the Standard one. So if you would like to fly quicker, go for the Ludicrous mode. If you would like to be more reserved, should I say, and well, cautious, careful, it's better to leave the speed mode at Standard. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.